Hey YouTubers, hey, welcome to my channel. And what you can expect here is almost anything. I've been a TIG welder for quite a few years, welding titanium pipe for heat exchangers. I'm a refrigeration tech. I've run a refrigeration business for 50 years. I built my own CNC. I use Aspire for my programming to create things for the CNC. I write programs for my Android phone. I repair water pumps, salt water and freshwater pumps. I repair gas refrigerators as well as electric ones. I build lobster holding systems for live lobster in Maine. I build clam purge systems to cleanse clams. So see, I have quite a background, and that's what you can expect. And the another thing is, I like to bake too. So I have some baked bread videos, and I make my own pizza dough for pizza. So you can see that's what you're going to expect if you come to my channel. Something like that. So thank you, and hey, subscribe. You might enjoy it. Doesn't cost anything, you know. And hey, we'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching.